A lot of action here. All the boards are busy when we came, and it looks like table tennis is buzzing. Tell us about the national championship. What have you achieved so far during the day, and what we can expect for the next couple of days as you go into the finals on Sunday?
Today we have the juniors playing. So far we have completed all the knockouts, the round robin sections. We are going into the knockout phase now, and we actually started the team events, the parent team events. We have on table 1 Kingston playing St. Andrew, and we have Portland playing St. Catherine on table 2, that's for the males, and on table 3 we have the females playing Kingston versus St. Andrew. And the other team in the female event is St. Catherine. So both teams are awaiting that match.
Okay, and tell us a bit about what we can expect into Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, into Saturday and Sunday we'll have the senior events starting tomorrow, where we have the men's open. We have about 50 players vying in the competition, and it's going to be exciting matches. We also have the men's doubles, we have the women's doubles, we have the women's open, and the men's rural, the over 40, and the mixed doubles. All exciting matches coming up.
Well, the venue has been made possible through the sponsorship of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports for our annual allocation. So we're happy that we're able to provide a high quality venue, and this is the 3rd year in a row this administration has been providing this type of environment for the youngsters to experience the game at the best. I'm excited for the, as you can see, it's well supported. Today is the day for most of the youngsters to play, so I'm sure you'll see them on the tables at every chance. If they get, they'll be on the tables practicing up. It's great to have overseas players, and Dino Biles and Keith Evans coming at another dimension to the game. And with the defending champions Kane Watson and Salisha Young not competing this year, it's anybody's tournament. So we expect to be fierce and good quality competitions.